Hey guys, it's Hannah with the Marketing Skillet again, here to give you a 5-minute tip. So I'm going to answer 5 questions in under 5 minutes. Since the last couple times I have not, I'm excited to hit all 5 questions again with you. And remember, if there's more information you want on these questions, because I am answering them pretty quickly, go ahead and shoot me an email at hannah@themarketingskillet.com or send us a message at info@themarketingskillet.com. You can also head over to our website and get more information as well from us. And of course, we have a bunch of videos that we've been recording for you down below that you can check out. So our first question is how to use Facebook advertising to target Instagram users. For this one, there's 2 ways this person could be asking the question. So the simplest way would be in your ad set. When you're in your ad set, there's going to be a list of where you want your ads to be shown. And what you can do is select them only to go to Instagram. So that could be on the stories, it could be on the news feed, and all those different places that are available on Instagram. So that's one way to be like, hey, I'm only targeting them there. Another way you could be targeting Facebook ads on Instagram is go into your audience manager. And when you go to create a custom audience, target people that have engaged with you on Instagram. So this way you're only targeting those people that have been on Instagram. So those are 2 ways you can look at how to target your Facebook advertisings towards Instagram. All right, so the next question that we'd seen was, what are some tips to use on Instagram and Facebook ads? So my biggest tip, which I've talked about, of course, is targeting audiences. But the next biggest thing I would say is lead with value. Do not come in and try to sell me what you're offering. First, start with, hey, here's something free. Come download my article. Come join my Facebook group. Things like that. So you want to lead with value. You don't want to just sell, because imagine if somebody was doing that to you, you would not want to go follow them. You wouldn't buy it, especially if you've never heard of them before. Of course, you're not going to buy something if you've never heard of them before, and that's their first ad to you. So make sure you're leading with value on all of your Instagram and Facebook ads first and foremost. All right, the next question is, how important is frequency in Facebook ads? So with frequency, what frequency means is that somebody's seen your ad this many times. And you want your frequency, a good number they like to go by is 3. And that means that that person is not constantly seeing your ad to the point that they're getting annoying and they're just ignoring it and they're completely blocking it out. And on the flip side, it's giving you opportunity to get in front of them still. And if you're seeing it go above 3, maybe you need to create different versions of that ad so that they're seeing the ad frequently, but they're not seeing the same ad constantly. Another thing on frequency is you might be looking at brand awareness. And if you're going for a brand awareness, that frequency probably will be a little higher than 3 because you're looking for that product recall, the service recall, so that you want them to remember your brand by seeing the frequency. So it also depends on what your goal is of the campaign. So I don't want to say it's cut and dry, it has to be 3, if it's more, if it's less. No, there are times with brand awareness. And so, like I said, give us a email at hannah@themarketingskillet, go to themarketingskillet.com, and I would love to jump on a call with you for free to kind of look at what your business is and help you figure out those goals that you're trying to set for yourself. All right, the next one here is, why advertise your business on Facebook? On Google. Why advertise your business on Google? And the most important reason is that is where everyone is searching. So people are always like, if I open my phone and I open Chrome, when I type something in the bar, it instantly goes to Google first. Most people will say, just Google it, because that's how we're searching things. So if I need a marketer or a lawyer or a dentist or any of those things, I'm going to Google it first, most likely. And so that is why it is so important to advertise your business on Google, and at a minimum, create a free Google My Business account if you have a brick and mortar store or different things like that. So super important to advertise your business on Google. And our last questions for today is, what is the benefit of social media marketing? And the biggest thing I can tell you is that people are scrolling on their phones the length of the Statue of Liberty every single day. So That is how much people are scrolling. And majority of that time, they're on some sort of social media. So it is so important to be advertising or marketing on social media because that is literally where everyone's at, regardless if they're searching for something. When you get bored, most people are on their phones while they're watching TV nowadays. So everywhere they are, they're on their phones, most likely on social media of some sort. And so it is so crucial to be advertising there. Well, that's all I have for you guys. So again, head over to themarketingskillet.com, check out some of the things we're doing, or shoot me an email and I'd love to have a conversation with you. Or if you have any marketing questions, send them to us and we'll answer them on the next video. All right, guys, have a great Thursday.